Oh, doggone it. There we go. Screwed up another one. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use these kinetic bullet pullers for when we mess up a round. Hey guys, I'm Andy. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell and enjoy the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So inevitably during reloading you're going to experience issues with seat and bullets, or for whatever reason, and you want to save the brass or save the bullets, or maybe you want to extract the powder inside. This is 38s and this one here is good. Now these two are too short and this one's too long, and they've all been crimped. So to get those out, we're going to use these bullet pullers. Alright, I've got two bullet pullers here. This one's RCBS and I've got a Dillon. Both are good and they work the same way, using kinetic energy when you whack them. The Dillon is a little bit longer. Now, I'll have links to both of these in the description below, so if you'd like to pick one up, go ahead and visit those links. When we take the end off of here, the shell holder's on the end, round side facing up. Now the way you load your bullet in here is you just push it right through the top of that crimp. It's like that. There's little ridges in there, little ring, sits in the groove. Tighten it up, you're ready to go. So the best place to do this is on a concrete floor. There it is, right there. Bullets in the bottom. Now, let me show you that trick I was talking about. Alright, so let's say you've managed to lose all these things and you don't have any more. What would work just as good? Take your shell holder, slide your bullet in there, put it in the top of your hammer, and take the cap and screw it on. Shell holder fits right inside there perfectly. There it is. Well, there it is. I want to thank you for watching. Two quick, easy ways, techniques to hold your shells in here, your cartridges, when you want to get them bullets out. Thanks for watching.